This opening trick for white have lots of attacking options and decisive advantages, and I am sure black will not know all these lines. Subscribe to my channel and let's beat our opponent in great style. So let's start. White starts with d4 and black replies with d5. Now you play e4. This is known as Blackmar Gambit. Black will most obviously capture the pawn on e4. Then you play knight to c3 to attack e4 pawn. Black will defend with knight to f6. Now you offer another pawn by playing f3. Black will happily capture the pawn. Now instead of capturing the pawn with knight, you capture with queen. So black will think you are offering another pawn on d4. And capture that pawn with his queen. You play bishop to e3 attacking his queen. Black will go to b4 to capture on b2. Now you castle on queen side. Black will saw the opportunity that queen and the rook are aliened on the diagonal and g4 square is protected, so will play bishop g4. You play this move knight to b5. And now the fun starts. If black captures the queen carelessly, then knight to c7 is checkmate immediately. If he captures the knight on b5 with queen, then his queen is gone and you can save your queen in next move. Since bishop captures comes with check. If he plays carelessly and plays e5, then again it leads to checkmate, by knight captures on c7, king e7, queen captures on b7, queen captures on b7, and bishop to c5 is checkmate. Therefore the only good move for black is knight to s6. But you can still capture with your queen on b7, simultaneously protecting the knight on b5. If he attacks the queen with the rook by rook to b8, then again it leads to checkmate by the queen to b8, knight captures on b8 and knight to c7. So if he plays rook to c8 saving the rook, then you can capture the knight on s6, and if he carelessly grabs the rook on d1, then again it's checkmate by queen to c8. Next he can capture directly on d1 with the bishop, but then you can capture the rook on a8 with check, king to d7 and knight capture on s7 saving the knight. So the only good move for black is queen to e4. Now again you can capture the knight on a6. If bishop captures the rook, then you capture the bishop with the king, and if rook gives check then block with your bishop. So the good move for black is queen captures on e3 with check, you play king to b1. Black must play queen to c5 here, you play queen to b7 again, attack his rook. Now he will capture your rook and you capture his rook with check, king to d7 and knight to c3 to defend against checkmate at c2. And here you will have significant advantage to win. Good luck, share your experience with me, let me know how many of you got benefit out of this. Subscribe for more and thanks for watching.